In this video, we are showing you how to combine a turn with a head roll and a body wave in the shadow position in bachata. So, let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around and since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. Oh, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. Hey, hey, hey.
So we start in the shadow position. We do a basic in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to do our basic kind of like a Madrid step. So first we start with 1, going diagonally back and rotating our body in 1. On 2, we are closing the step and now looking forward again in 2. On 3, now we're going diagonally forward to the other side in 3. And together with our step, we start going up. So we start doing a bolero, we start breathing in and preparing the turn in 3. And then on 4, we're not tapping, but we're just going more up and up and up, because on 5 is when we start now turning. So on 5, we do go in 5, okay? This means that the leaders already opened the step here, and we started turning the follower with our arm over here. So not with the hand here trying to push or something, and also not with this one. But with this part, we bring it up and from the shoulder space. So from here on 5 is how we're turning her. And now from here, we're going to continue the turn by bringing her a little bit down, raising our arm, grabbing this one, because on 6, we are going into the body wave in 7 and 8. In 7 and 8. And then 1, 2. So let's do it one more time. We go in 1, 2, breathe in, and 5. Change the weight to the front or to the right side for the leaders, and do the body wave. For us leaders, it's a side wave now. In 7, and for the followers, a normal body wave. 8, 1, 2.
For the follower, it's very important that we keep the tension here on our arm. So when we realize, we go back. And now when we go up and forward, that you keep your position and that you not already think that you have to turn and make yourself small. You still, in this rotation, you have to keep your frame, which means you're here and you give tension here to his arm so he can turn you. And here you have to be careful that you offer him the arm, but that you don't do it by yourself. You cannot hook, because maybe he will lead something different. So you really have to wait that he grabs your arm and he takes you here. The other thing is, when you come here, really close your head. So you don't make yourself small like this, but you're here a little bit like straight, and you bring your chin to your chest so you can come down under this arm.
And the last thing is, when we're here down, we go up on the body wave. So we're not staying down and we go down. But from down, we go up again and we breathe in. And now we can breathe out and come down for the body wave. So from this point of view, with counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and let us know down below. Subscribe to our channel, check out these other videos that you are going to love. See you there.